Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create a master JSON prompt using ChatGPT. Even if you're a beginner, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create structured, powerful JSON prompts for AI tools. First, let's understand what a JSON prompt is. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a way to structure your instructions so AI tools understand them clearly. A JSON prompt is basically a recipe for AI, telling it exactly what you want step by step.
Now, let's build a master JSON prompt step by step. Step 1. Define the goal, what you want AI to do. Step 2. Define parameters, like length, style, or format. Step 3. Add examples or rules to guide AI output. Step 4. Test and refine. Adjust the JSON until AI gives the results you want. Let's see a real example. Suppose we want AI to generate a tutorial script for beginners. We copy our master JSON prompt into ChatGPT, hit generate, and voila! AI gives a ready-to-use script. Pro tips: be specific in your instructions. Test different variations. Save your JSON prompts to reuse them later. With practice, you can create master JSON prompts for blogs, videos, ads, emails, and more.